Welcome to RP Math Experiments. In this video, I want to explain about the surface areas of cone. Here this is the cone. This is the cone. A cone is formed by, a hollow cone is formed by taking a sector. This is a sector. And if I rolled it and I just pasted these two radii of a sector, a hollow cone is formed. This hollow cone is formed. See what is the area of the cone now? See, area of the cone is nothing but the surface area of a sector. See, I am writing the same. Surface area of the cone is equal to surface area of sector. The surface area of the sector, in my previous videos, I explained half LR, square units. See here, this is nothing but half LR. Then now, what happened here? See, when I rolled it across its radii, here the length of the arc, see, the length of the arc is transformed into the circumference of the circle. This became a circular base. Therefore, it is a circle. What is the circumference of the circle? It's 2 pi r. Now, half into length is transformed into 2 pi r and radius is transformed into the slant height. The slant height of the cylinder. Yes. Then, here 2 gets cancelled. Here pi r s square units. Sometimes we use it to write here pi r l also. L for slant height, s is also for slant height. We can make use s either L. So the surface area of a cone is equal to pi r l square units. Fine. Now let us suppose we take a cone of base also, which has base. See here I am taking a cone which has its base. See, this is the base and this is a hollow cone. Hollow cone surface area we have derived here, and then now let us derive about this total surface area of the cone. I am taking the net diagram of this cone. See here, previously it was a hollow cones, and now I am adding the bottom surface. What is the surface? Circle. See here, circle. This is now the total surface area of the cone. See, let me derive. See, the total surface of TSA, now itself, now onwards, I call total surface area as TSA. TSA is nothing but the curved surface area plus the area of the bottom. Here, bottom surface area plus curved surface area, which we have derived previously. Here, what is the bottom surface area? Bottom is nothing but a circle. In your lower classes, you know pretty well about the area of the circle. Area of the circle is pi r square. See, pi r square plus CSA. Just now we have derived pi r l or pi r s. Pi r l. Now take common. This is pi r into r plus l square units. This is the total surface area of a cone. See, this is the whole surface area. If we add the bottom to it, exactly. If we have net diagram, it is very easy to derive and understand. See, when I take this net and I wrap it around the 3D shape, exactly fits to its shape. And then the bottom. Now exactly it became a cone. This is total surface area of the cone. Thus, we have derived the total surface area of the cone as pi r into r plus l square units. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I will explain you about the volumes of all these 3D shapes. Thank you for watching. If you like these experiments, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.